You are not from this community at all?
No, Ine.
Good. I've not seen your kind of face around. You're so beautiful.
Thank you, Ine. I am from Edo Kingdom. I live happily with my stepmother.
Okay.
And she has never laid her hands to beat me.
Good, good.
But Ine, I have a friend in this kingdom called Omo.
Omo? My beautiful daughter. Is she the one you're talking about?
Yes.
She is a daughter after my own heart. I love her so much. Yes.
I want to appreciate her. She helped me the other day I missed my path.
Oh, she showed you the way?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, it's like my daughter. That's what she does. She's very kind and I love her so much.
Okay. Here are some gifts.
Okay,
please give this to Oma. Tell her Nibocom sends her greetings.
Nibocom?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give a message to her. Thank you. She will be happy to receive it.
Thank you.
Send me word to your people.
They will hear.
Into a beggar.
Ine, I don't understand what you're saying.
What don't you understand? How will you understand? Gluten, how will you understand? Look at it. Say it! What don't you understand? Let me look inside this thing and see what it is. Get up, myself. Get up, stupid girl. Stand there. Stand there. Come on, carry it. Carry it, beggar. Carry it on your head. Stupid, useless girl. Gluten, it will kill you. Beggar. Have you fetched firewood? No, come on, say no. Say no.
No.
Good. You have not. You will go and fetch firewood for me. When you come back, you will start cooking this curry. Yes, you will cook it and eat it and cook it and eat it. Come back. Come back here, stupid thing. Come back. Where are you going to? Come on. Come, bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it inside.
My lovely friend, why are you in tears?
I'm tired of this life. I am tired of living. I am tired of existing. I've known sorrow instead of happiness, rejection instead of acceptance.
My good friend, the greater our knowledge increases, the more our ignorance unfolds.
Meaning what?
We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts leave. They travel far.
You're confusing me the more. First you walk in here from where I don't know. And now you're using parables and words of the gods on me. Please, can you break it down in a way that I can understand what you're saying?
Wisdom, compassion, courage are the three universally recognized qualities of man. A bad beginning makes a bad ending. Come on, my friend. Make use of the gift.
What gift are you talking about?
Powers of words. Powers over nature. Just imagine things just the way they are. Watch them happen.
Anything.
Anything. What have you imagined?
I wish that my punishment today be reduced. I wish that my spirit can help me fetch firewood and fill the drum with water.
It's done. Can you see the sudden change of weather?
Yes, it looks like it wants to rain, but it's normal. Are you scared? You don't have to be. It's normal.
Just like that. Thank you so much. I really do not know how to appreciate you. Thank you.
Now that you're happy, my assignment here is achieved. See me whenever you want to see me.
She's gone. But if I leave this firewood here, Ine is going to wonder how I did this swiftly. So I have to go out with it and come back again. Ine, I'm back from fetching the firewood.
My son, it is time for the feast of Inyuchi. We shall be welcoming guests from various kingdoms, dancers. The 7 kingdoms of this land shall present their first female child for a dance before the king. The favored maiden shall present spiritual presentations, and after that she shall be called Inoji. So my son, I want you to be at your best this season.
This must be a great experience, Father.
Yes.
But you said the favored maiden shall be Inuji. Can a woman be Inuji?
Oh, my son. You know, you are still a child. The Inuji is the mother king.
The mother king?
Yes, my son. Whoever she gets married to becomes the next king that will succeed me.
What happens to me, your son? I'm the king by right and by birth. What happens to me then?
Yes, my son. You are. But the ways of the gods are different from ours.
But
They are
Father,
different.
but Father, I don't want to lose my birthright.
Oh, my son. The gods are wise. They are wise.
Be courageous. Sorrows are for few days. Your help comes from the ease of your fathers. Your tears have reached the heavens. Daughter of Ozemwan, the offspring of the goddess of light, granddaughter of the great Obidi. Call on me when you need help, for in me you find peace. In me you find happiness. In me you find your rest. Omon, my friend, why did you call me?
I didn't call you. Yes, I didn't call you. So tell me, how did you find me?
But you called me. You just did.
No, the other day you left without telling me how to find you. That is not how to treat a friend.
But I'm here now. So what bothers you?
I'm hungry. I've not eaten for the past 3 days. I've just been walking. The worms in my stomach ramble. I am hungry.
Test the spirit.
I said I am hungry. And test the spirit is all you can tell me.
Eat and sorrow no more. This food will serve you for a few days. Try, my friend.
So much to take, so much of worries, sorrows and pains. Feel deep inside of me.
She's gone again. She's gone. And I didn't even ask her how I can see her again. How do I find her? And this firewood is still small. I still need her to help me fetch more. If not, Ine will kill me.
I hope to be free, free again. I need to smile.
If you see my girl, if you see Ife, my love, I cannot do without her. The same way she cannot do without me. I can see it now. You are doing well. You love Ife that much. Ife, how are you doing today?
And what is your issue with how I am doing? Oh, or you want to take care of me if I'm not fine? With this your bag.
What did you say wrong?
Shut up that your dirty mouth. Who asked you to say something here? If you don't have anything useful to say, shut it up.
Ife, actually, as a matter of fact, I actually asked him to follow me to this place because I want to see my baby, my angel, the one the gods of East and land settled down to create because of.
Shut up your mouth! You're talking too much and talking nonsense. Anyway, I don't have time to banter with you two fools.
Fred, look at who is calling somebody fool. No, don't bother to call himself. He can call himself. Don't bother with him. What's the meaning of this? Don't bother with him. Let her go. Let her go. This girl is looking like native drum. What is wrong with this thing? What is wrong? I don't want to help her life. No. Did you see Ife? If they own me, the only son of Olika, if they carried me without any respect, without any symptom of respect, look at where she dropped me. If they dropped me
How is it me? How is it me? How is it me? I don't know what I'm doing. You wait, you wait, let me go. I don't even know what I see in you. I don't even know why you are following me. Anyway, you follow me with this your useless face. All I see is bad luck. What did I do? All about you. What did I do? That guy was responding to me well. Look at the way she look at me. Yeah. You. What did I do? Wait. Don't follow me again. Don't follow me again. I will always follow you. Imagine I'm going to the wrong place. See.
Oje mama re. Oje mama re. Oje mama re. I go for me silver. All rise to acknowledge the presence of our great king. Zagi.
You may now sit. On no manner, or for real. I called for this meeting because of the period that we are in. The festival of Inoji. The 7 eyes of the gods was in my palace yesterday. He gave me a message for my people. He said that the land is blessed. The land shall be fruitful. That this year shall be a fruitful year.
Zaiki, my king. You are indeed a brave king. Though some of us were almost coming to ask. Thank you once again.
May your days be long. You may now sit. The festival of Inoji comes up in the next 4 Easter market days. It is indeed a blessed year.
Zaiki, it's actually a fruitful year. Even you can hear the cocks crowing, signifying all what we are saying are truth. Even the rains cover everywhere every day. I think it's time for merriment. Aye, yay! Aye, yay!
May the gods protect.
He said.
What is it? What troubles you? My husband. What is it?
Can I say? It is the feast of Inoji.
Sit, my husband. You're still troubled.
Can I say?
My husband.
It is the feast of Inoji.
The king wants to honor 7 maidens, to crown one as the mother king, Inoje.
That is a good news. This is good. We have to celebrate it, my husband. Why are you hissing? Is there any trouble to this?
Are you aware that the great Inoje shall own the great Oka Atanapa of the 7 kingdom? I mean the elephant tusk. Whoever the king honors become the Inoje. She will automatically pick a husband who will be the king of this kingdom.
Interesting. When is the feast of Ohele Kingdom?
Hauchi Market Day.
Who will be going with the king to the feast?
Right. Chief Ewele and Chief Odibo and 2 of my palace guards will be going to Ohele Kingdom to represent the great Esa Kingdom.
Zagi.
Chief Ewele.
Zagi, my highness.
All the necessary items will be ready before tomorrow morning. I want you to represent us well.
Your Highness, I will make sure I represent this land very well.
But my king,
say me well to all your families.
Zagi.
Onia and Ewele and 2 other guards. But my dear wife, what has that got to do with the war at hand? You and I know that our daughter is not qualified for that dance.
Then no one, no other person is qualified. Cheer up, my husband. The gods of Esa has wiped away our tears.
Woman, I am not joking here.
My husband, I'm not joking with you either. My husband, you will send the warriors of Atani to attack them on their way to Ohile Kingdom. But before then, our daughter will go to the king and tell him that she saw in a vision where he was attacked and killed on his way to Ohile Kingdom for the feast. Tell the king to persuade Ewile to represent him at the feast. Compel them to cover their faces in mask. On the way, kill Ewile. Set the others free. But not without telling them to go back to the king and tell him that he must compensate the person that gave him the vision that kept him alive without him being killed at that journey. The king will be very, very grateful for this and will have no choice but to compensate our daughter as the Inoje.
My dear wife, the joy of my heart.
It is me, Ine.
I shall do as planned.
Good. Now that I have succeeded in putting smiles on the face of my husband, can you come in and eat my food?
On the contrary to that, you shall be with your husband tonight.
Hey!
Daddy, Your Highness, I am beginning to suspect the character of Okoje in this palace. The way and manner he looks at this now, I am afraid of him. I must tell you the truth. Zaki. Wato Ukali. Zaki. Okoje is taking us for a ride in this country. I believe his movement, moving from one place to another, and seeing so many things about the throne. Zaki, we have to act very fast.
My daughter, thank God the king and the elders at Okoure. They are set for the journey. Do as I told you. Make sure you convince them about the vision that you saw in your dream. Make sure.
Okay,
Don't miss anything.
okay, Abba.
In fact, you must be the Inoji. The next Inoji of this kingdom. You must be.
Okay, Abba.
Make sure you do as I told you. Don't miss anything.
In this land of Islam, nothing surpasses my knowledge. The gods will speak to me.
Zaki, may your reign be long, my king.
He said, Young woman,
My king.
who are you?
I am the only daughter of Okoje, my king.
Okoje. Why are you here, my daughter?
The gods has asked me to deliver a message to you, my king.
Go straight to the point.
My king, I see our kingdom being attacked.
Do you know the implication of what you are saying?
Yes, my king.
Are you sure of what you are telling us now?
Yes, my chief.
Young woman,
My chief.
I believe you are not coming here to play with us
No.
or joke with us.
No.
Remember, you are before the king of this kingdom.
Yes, my king.
Very well then. You may take your leave.
Zaki.
An attack. An attack on this kingdom. An attack on this kingdom. Who want to attack this kingdom? Take my message to my people.
The people of Esala, listen, oh! The feast of Inoche is in the next Esambaka day. He that have ear, let him hear. On the holy Kamedabaho.
Wow. That means we'll be contesting. According to the tradition of our land.
Every firstborn will be presenting something to the king.
And I'm the only first child of my parents. Me too.
The people of Esala, listen, oh! The next Inoje festival is in the next Esambaka day. He that have ear, let him hear. On the holy Tamanawa. The youth of Esaland, as you can see, our festival is fast approaching and we need to maintain all areas here. So because of this, you will maintain the road to Okoge, while the three of you will maintain the road to the stream. The gods of Esaland will protect you always.
My chief, don't you think it would be wise for them to maintain our ever busy market road?
Well, for the now. You know, the Okoge and the road to the stream will be busy with visitors. It's not yet for the market. Okay. So may the gods of Esaland be praised.
Yes, sir. You can go, you can go, you can go. Eh?
Mado. Oh, do I day? Manege.
This one is almost dry. Tell your mother to meet me up at the village square. You know the seat of the Noje is around the corner. Tell her to hurry up. Oh. Yeah? Okay, well, keep way. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
My goodness. Oh, my sisters. I'm really troubled about Oma. The way her mother maltreats her. That wicked woman she's so mean. And that stupid daughter of hers.
My dear, there's nothing we can do to stop them.
I only weep for her. That woman is wicked. And what pains me the most is that Essie, who is a girl like her,
joining her mother to maltreat that girl. The way I'm seeing things, I'm not sure Essie will end well. May the gods of our land restore peace upon her life.
The prince of this land. I think I like him.
That prince that is so full of himself.
he should live by example. His father, the king, is a peaceful and lovable person. He's the nice person, he's good to everybody. So tell me where he got that his attitude character from. He made it from his maternal home. Oh, look at him and the prince for me.
We even made it.
Greetings, my prince.
How are you? How is your father, Chief Oniha?
The prince is talking to me.
She's fine. He's fine.
And you? Are you from this land?
Yes, my prince. But I lived all my life in my maternal home.
May the gods of this land bless you.
Are you admiring the prince? Yes, I do.
But I thought you said the prince was rude and arrogant. So how come you couldn't resist him?
Yes, that was before. But now, he's my hero.
Are you serious?
Like him, he's handsome, he carries himself.
You won't kill me.
I am so happy. This dress looks so good on me. By the time I dance to the king, he will choose no other person but me. Most especially now that he thinks I am the seer that saved his life.
Oh yes, my daughter. I can't wait to be the mother of the great energy of our land. Generations will talk of you. I am sure of that. Generations, they will be talking about my daughter. Yes, when my daughter becomes energy.
Yes. Please, can I?
Why are you jumping up like playing mountains?
I don't know for.
What is it? I don't make me shout. As you can see, I'm in a happy mood.
Sorry. Can I participate in the dance feast?
Oh, that's competition. You will. Why didn't I think of this? You will and you must. Yes.
Are you serious?
Oh,
Thank you.
You just give me the dance step. Let me see. Is that how you are going to dance in the palace? Give me a little. You will go. You will go. You must attend.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dance again. Dance again. Dance well. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You see, I want to teach you the dance step for our people. The way we do it. Come closer. Where? Come on, get out. Do you hear the slaves go to the palace? Come on, get out from what I've shown my daughter. Oh, that's me. Stupid girl.
Take him, Mama.
Can you imagine? How dare this stupid girl wants to come and shine my daughter?
Take him, Mama.
Those slaves go to the palace? We're slave. Slave does not go close to the palace.
If Ine comes back, tell her I went out to Ivy.
Okay.
Oh, babe. Ine, where are you going to? Ine, okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Where, Jamie?
Where are you going to?
I was actually going out with Ivy.
Going out with her? To where? Eh? Ivy?
Yeah.
I see. You don't have anything to do. You don't have work to do. Go home. When you get home and you don't have anything to do, gather stones. Eh? Start throwing them into the bush. One after the other.
Ime.
Shut up!
Have I done anything wrong?
You're asking me. Oh, my daughter. See you. I don't want anybody to come and rob you of the title of Inogie.
Ine, no one is robbing me of the title of Inogie. And you know I will be the winner.
You don't know anything. You don't know.
Ine, you shouldn't talk to my friend like that. It's not good.
Oh, your friend. Oh, no. Inside. I said inside. Afure, yes. Are you through with what you're doing? Yes. Go inside. If you, you're still here. What are you waiting for? Shut up, go to your house. Oh, you want me to leave my house? Nonsense. Let me see you here again.
As your grave has become shallow, so has my life become shallow. Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me, mother? Why did you leave me in the hands of the wicked? Sorrow has eaten deep into my heart. Loneliness is all I see. I have no one to talk to. I have no one to call. No one to feel my pain. Why did you leave me? I'm talking to you. Answer me. Why?
Loneliness does not come from having nobody around you. It's from being unable to communicate with the things that seem important to you.
Why did you leave me for so long? You're supposed to be my friend, to answer me when I call you. Why did you leave me for so long?
The secret of happiness. You see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the ability to enjoy less. Come on, my friend. The happiness you seek lies in your hands.
Storm is gradually sweeping away my life. My life is being carried away by storm.
Stop that. The sorrow may last for the night, but joy comes in the morning. Once the storm is over, you will remember all these things you're going through. You won't even be the same person you walked in. That is what the storm is all about.
I've lost it all. I have lost it all, my friend.
For everything you have missed, you have gained something else. And for everything you gain, you lose something else.
Iwo,
the son of the great Olika, the first of this great kingdom. This woman messed me. This woman reduced me. This woman take me from ZBZ to ZBZ. She reduced me to number nonsense. Olika, I can't believe this. No. Olika, think. Olika, you better think. Better think. There must be something in this your coconut head, Olika. Yes. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. See, you know my father, the great Olika, the first. No man. Yeah. Since he traveled, nobody have been operating that shrine. My father's shrine. All we need to do is take some of the things, look for anywhere attractive, set up a beautiful shrine. Are you seeing the shrine now? Set up the shrine like this. Look at the shrine. Set it up like this. Then we look for other people that will help us to convince the convincible to come. We are going to sit under the umbrella of Olika to punish all the punishable in this community and to deal with all the dewittable in this community. You know why? You see, all the girls that have messed me up, it's time for me to mess all of them up. All we need to do is tell people, if you can mark anything in your body, you become the chief Inoje. You know, this period of festival, they will do anything just to become the great Inoje. I'm telling you. Olika! It will work. The plan will work. Your taking have started again. Olika! What is your problem? This you're taking. Do you want to be the next Ojobo? What is wrong? I'm not with you. No, tell me, what is wrong if I decide to become the Ojobo? No, it's not all about becoming the next Ojobo. But I don't even understand. Why is it that each time I want to bring out a good suggestion, all you do is spoil it? Eh? With this your bad face, I don't even know the kind of friend I see in you. Why is it that whenever I go, all I see around you is bad luck? Look at your face, bad luck. All your destiny, bad luck. See, I should be blaming myself for allowing myself, a whole me by myself, to make friends with you. You are very useless. Olika, something. Don't ever see me again. Because each time I see you, all I see is humiliation. See, I want to tell you, wherever you see me, if I pass to this side, go to this side. If I'm coming from this side, go to this side. Because this is your bad luck. If you have been with me, all I see is bad luck. Olika, I'm your friend now. It's better I don't have a friend than to have somebody like you. Olika. It's better I don't have a friend though than to have somebody like you. Olika, okay, let's go and do it. Let's go and do it. I will tell you, are with me is the girl. I will do that. Let's go. I'm with you. Let's go and deal with the deal. Let's go. And punish the punishable.
Everybody but me. Everybody is getting ready because they all have a mother to help them prepare. Everyone else but Omon. That's why. Why did you take my mother so quickly? Why didn't you allow me to enjoy the love of a mother? Mother, I wish I can see you just one more time. Just one more time. Give you a hug and feel your love. Who will help me prepare? Who will make my royal outfit? Who will make my outfit? Who will give me clothes to dance with? My prince, greetings. Greetings, Eni.
Greetings to you too. Sit down, sit down. Why are you here all by yourself shedding tears?
Nothing. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Omo, my friend, I can see your heart is filled with so many unshed tears. So many thoughts running through your heart. Please, my friend, there is hope for a tree that is being cut down. But when it's cut from the root, there may be a problem.
Did you say hope?
Yes, there is hope. We met with your friend, Eniboku. And she gave me this clothes. This one, your clothes. Gift to you. She said you requested for it.
You met with Eniboku?
Yes. You said she should not be able to come to give it to you.
Oh, thank the gods. Eniboku, thank you so much. Thank you.
Now you see there's hope. Now I see you're happy. I think my assignment is done.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
You don't even understand. When the gods was giving him power, I was sitting down there. And I see, the one who went to one village like that, he even hit that man. The man was just having one leg.
Are you serious?
You were just sitting down there. And the gods decide to give me power. And you now saw the power.
Yes, I saw the power now.
Actually, sometimes I blame myself. Do you know that the gods actually look at me? The gods look at the good heart that I have. The gods check my life. He check everything around me. Say, my son, you are so pure. Let me give you this power to help people in this feast of Inoji. You know, everybody want to become Inoji of this kingdom. Because of that, you know, my father, the only the great, has belonged traveled and the gods now said, who will be looking after the people? The gods now choose me. Do you know that the kind of power I have right now, I can resurrect somebody who have been long dead?
Yes, it's true.
Do you know, as I was coming, As the power was, I was like a drunken man. I was staggering. I was just coming. Then I saw one woman that had one eye. I just put the power on that woman. The eye goes back to normal.
Are you sure you have this power?
No.
Serious?
I'm not sure. In me, how I go take this show? Me when they useless. Me that is very useless. No, I'm useless. You're asking me if I have power. All you don't need to do, look for stone or look for cane. Ask me to kneel down, raise up your hand and start flocking me. You're very stupid. See, do you know that as I was coming, useful people, as I was coming, I said, oh, that man, I have just one leg. One leg. I said, no, you're not supposed to come to this life like this. You must have useless children. Now that you have one leg, then I pray for that man. Guess what? The man have straight leg. Leg go out from nowhere. I never knew it was his father. Oh. I never knew it was his father. It was after I gave this man an additional leg, then I discovered that it is his father. It was when they came to thank me, the great Olika, they came to thank me. Then I now discovered that it is his father. You know, the son is useless, and he have a bad luck. Though I'm still working on that bad luck.
Olika. What is the meaning of all these ones? Why is it everything that is Is it not we?
No. It should be we.
Yes,
no. Don't tell me you want to we. See, everything about you is we. No, just go and we. Like I was saying, do you have anybody that is about to die so that I will prove my power? Just bring it. If your father want to die right now, go and call your father that I, the great Olika, want to heal your father.
My father?
Yes, your father.
I don't have anybody, please.
You don't have anybody that want to die?
No.
You see how useless you are? Everything around you is so useless. How can you be sitting down? You are occupying a lot of space. You're supposed to come in as a girl. I don't know if you are a girl or if you are a boy. Look at the way your eye is swollen. Everything around you are puffy, coming up. Fool me as if you are. See, like
to insult me.
No, I'm not here to insult you. I'm here to cook for you and sing for you, idiot. Do you have anybody?
No, I don't have anybody. I don't even know anybody. I don't have anybody to tell.
Do you see how your life is? If we are talking to reasonable people, how can it be that I ask you to gather useful people? What is this useless people you are bringing to?
They are useful now. Are they not useful?
Somebody that does not have anybody, is this useful?
Olika or what?
Olika.
You said you have the powers, Abi? I have someone I will bring back.
I thought you are useful.
You should have said these things. I was beginning to get angry. If I know you have somebody, I'm gonna start counting from this side instead of counting from the useless side. You really have you really have somebody you want to tell?
Yes.
Bring. Is he a she?
Yes, she's contesting for the
Inoji.
Yes.
Hey. Don't tell more people like that. Since you already have one, let's do it one after the other. Do you know where my Shira is?
Yes, I know.
After the village market.
Yes.
Under that big tree.
Yes.
There is
Yes, I know your Shira.
You know, since my father traveled, that's right. I'll be the one using it to hit people. Make sure it's when the whole day is about to come down and the weather, the sun is no longer hot. You know, we use power to consult the gods.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'll go and tell her right now.
Wait. You have not told her about the amount.
No, I don't tell people the price in public. So when they come inside, I will tell them the price. Don't worry.
Olika, the friend. Olika.
Wait. You people should wait. I'll come back. We'll go to the stream later. I have to go and tell her. This is good news. Are you sure? Wait for me. I'm coming. Yeah. Oh.
What are you doing? Where did you get this? You? Give it to me.
Where did you get the cloth from?
Come and give it to me. Give it to me. Come outside. Come outside.
Come outside.
You. Come. Don't let me use this.
Where did she get it from? Where did you get it from?
There's no need. I know what to do.
I support you.
I will surprise you today.
See with her.
Let me see you anywhere close to the palace and you see what I will do.
Ine, please don't do this to me. Abba, beg her, please. Beg her, please. Hey, hey, Abba, please beg her. Hey, Ine, please don't do this to me. Hey,
What about it?
Hey, Ine.
Bonnet.
Hey, Ine, please. Hey.
Don't know your mother.
Hey, Ine, this is not fair.
Stop
Ine, hey, Ine, your eyes are on fire.
Bonnet.
Yes. Let's go inside. Bonnet. Girl. Let me see you anywhere close to that palace and you will see what I will do to you. Let me see you go close to the palace. Are you still?
Leave her.
Stay and wash it. Go. Stupid girl.
That's how she killed her parents.
Mother! I'm sure you can hear me from wherever you are. Why did you leave me on this earth? Why? You should have taken me with you. Why did you leave me? Now I'm suffering. I am suffering. I've had enough. I cannot continue like this. Mother, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? You heard my cry. You heard my cry once again. You heard my cry. Thank you.
Mama Abe. Mama Abe. Who is there? It's me, Mama Abe. It's me.
What is it? I hope there's no problem.
No problem, ma. Mama Abe, I came to ask, do you want your daughter to win the royal contest?
Of course I want my daughter to win.
Okay. There's one Olika, the son of the native doctor. He can make her win the contest. He has power.
Hey! Which of the Olika are you talking about?
The same Olika that you know.
Wait, you mean Olika now has power?
Yes, ma'am.
And he can make my daughter win?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you're not joking.
Olika hid someone that has one eye.
It's a lie.
He hid one man that has one leg too.
Hey! Olika.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I came to tell you. I'm rushing back. My friends are waiting for me.
Hey, my daughter. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
I will take my daughter.
All right, ma'am.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Hey, Olika. I must go and see him. I must take my daughter there. Hey! Hey!
Why are you people stopping? I want to join you and learn how to dance.
Come on, keep quiet, slave. Get out and go home and cook. Did you tell you that slaves are here? Slave
Wait,
like
so
you.
what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Are you supposed to be here?
Almond, you're not permitted to be here.
Yes, you're not supposed to be here.
You should allow her.
Shut up, your mouth. I said your own is
Shut up, you're allowed to join.
This is tolerant. Start going. Get up. Go.
What is your problem?
Inibokun! Where could she be? How do I find her? I don't even know her house. I have been calling you. Why didn't you answer me?
No, but you just did.
No, I have been shouting your name. Or is your name not in Iboku?
No, but you just did.
I just did? So how did I call you?
Your tears invited me.
You mean anytime I want to see you, I should just cry?
If a drop of water falls in a stream, there is no identity. But when it falls on a leaf, it shines. So choose the best place where your ability shines. For our destiny is not created by the position we occupy, but by the steps we take.
You're always speaking in parables. Please, say what I can understand.
What bothers you?
Loneliness. I am very lonely. Nobody wants to associate with me. Am I cursed?
If you cannot find a good companion to walk with, kindly walk alone. Like an elephant roaming in a jungle. It is better to walk alone than to walk with those who will hinder your destiny. Let me dance with you, my good friend.
My prince. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Annie.
You sent for us. Hope everything is fine.
Yes, my prince. She wants you to watch her dance.
But I...
Not but. Let the dance continue.
Good.
Okay, my prince. Sit down, please. Let me dance for you.
Let the dance begin.
lady left to dance?
No.
May the gods bless the land of Asa Kingdom.
Yes.
It is indeed a great contest. I have never seen such a dance steps in my life today. All the maidens displayed and gave all their all. But the last maiden gave me the surprise of my life. The steps were audacious, exceptional. Therefore, I declare that she has won the dance contest for today.
Stupid girl.
How many times have I told you not to stab your feet in the palace? How many times? I've warned you not to stab your feet in the palace.
Peter!
I will make life miserable for you.
You are a witch. You are a witch. I will teach you a lesson. You. How do you do it? How do you do it? How? Don't go to the palace. You won't hear. You pretend like you don't know you were told not to go to the palace.
How many times?
What is this thing?
Nonsense.
Foolish girl. I will just take off this whole thing. Take it off.
What an effort.
My daughter, I am not happy at all. What is going on? How can someone who does not have a mother be winning a well-trained daughter of this land?
Ine, I am surprised at you. To even make it more surprising, we did not allow Omon to learn the royal dance with us. Yet she is winning.
Really?
Ine, you have to do something. I can't stand to see her win.
Ovime, we must see Olika the Great.
Really?
Yes.
Will it make me to win?
Of course, my daughter. It will make you to win. That is why we must see Olika. The gods who made the prince to fall in love with you will surely make you to win this royal contest.
Thank you, Ine. I can't wait to be the Noji of this land.
You will be the Nogi of this land.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, my daughter.
I can't wait to be the Noji of this land.
Look at my beautiful daughter. How can they say you will not win this royal contest? Look at you. You must be the Nogi of this land. Yes.
On a se basso bien se bodam. Arunu jabo, yebudalu visabo. Arunu jabo, yebudalu visabo. Arunu jabo, budalu visabo. Arunu jabo. Ada you were do. Ada you were nye. Emi miki kona.
Olika, where is your father?
No kamale agola Ona male agola fe okun be okwo. Ona male agola Ona male agola fe okun be. Oyo we do. Other you we nye. My father, Olika the Great, traveled to my maternal home because the king of Obeko needs his presence. And as I speak to you right now, I am in charge. I go kangaru koko. Ramude okanjemia okwo. No da lo kako. For the past 14 market days, I have been the one running my father's business. Because I and my father, we are one. Yes, what brought you to the land that flow with milk and honey, the great shrine of Olika. Unu oko arele jowe. Speak to this. Don't test the spirit. Else I will turn you to this snake. Because I eat snake. I taught people to snake.
No, please don't call my daughter to snake. I'm sorry. We are sorry.
Because I am angry right now. The spirit that controls the physical. Let me send the spirit that controls this arena before I can communicate with the spirit. Because I want to speak the language of the gods right now. You may leave. Take this chalk. Give it to our ancestors to clear road, to clear the eyes for Olika. Because I want to communicate with the gods. Please, you can go. Let me speak to the gods.
I thought we were the gods now.
How can you be the gods? The gods that see beyond mortals. That's what I'm talking about. Go.
Another god.
Let me discuss with them.
God.
Please, my daughter, don't be afraid. Say whatever you want. The gods are listening.
I, Obeyi, I want to be the next Inoje of this land.
Oh, Inoji. She wants to become the Inoji. What can we really do? What can we do for her? The gods of my father, speak to me. Ha 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 ha. Rejoice! The gods have spoken. she must undergo some spiritual beats. Yes, I want to perform some rituals on her because I want her to bathe with the spirits.
Spirits?
Yes, spirits. If you want to catch a monkey, you must have so many bunches of banana.
Ine, why must she be subjected to such torture?
Then why must she be the great Inoje when you know that she is not fit for that position? Are you where do? Are you where nye? Hemi kona. Anyo kaliaki gwenu. She will be in this shrine for 40 good nights in order to make her fit for that position as Inoje.
The Great Oleka, I'm ready to stay as many nights as you want. Yes.
If that be the case, let the ritual begin.
And the Betty ritual start tonight. Any problem?
No. If that is the case, let the ritual begin. Let me go.
How can this be? Eh? Where does this girl Omo get her strength from? Eh? You would tell her not to do something, and she will go ahead to do it, pretending she doesn't know how it happened. Hey! What kind of spirit is possessing her? Cause of her land. Please, I beg you. You must reveal to me where this stupid girl got her strength from. I need to know where she found her strength.
I'm not permitted to. They are more than friends. They're like a brother to me. And I want to see that. As an authority, as the prince of this land, I want you to see it. If you say so, my prince. My prince, I'm so happy that Omo, my friend, is winning the contest. Because if she wins, she will surely choose me. But if Obey, your friend, wins, then my prince gets his birthright. Then you want me to lose? Only the gods can decide. There's something important I would like us to talk about. And there's something I want you to follow me to. So after a year, we'll be going there. You understand? Yes, my prince. Where comes it?
Be there, my friend. I'm fine. And you?
You don't notice it. I hope all is well.
Everything is well. I just want to talk to my friend.
There's no problem.
Nothing at all. Just that I want to discuss something important with you.
I'm listening.
My friends, it's all about this contest of the next Inoja of this land. My friends, I want you to use your influence to talk to your father, the king, to choose me as the next Inoja of this land. And that means you will be the next king. But if Omo continues to win, she will practically choose your friend over you. And you know what that means. You losing your inheritance. Please. You know I love you.
Okay.
My prince.
The gods are wise. And let them decide my fate.
My prince. Why won't any want to be the next king of this land? Why won't you desire to be the king of this land when you practically share everything with him? You put on the same clothes, you even eat from the same plate. My prince, you have to do something. You have to act fast.
Amy is more than a friend to me. And I don't want to continue this conversation anymore.
My prince.
You may leave.
You just have to act fast. You have to think about what I just told you.
My prince, hope all is well. Nothing to worry about. Come, let's go.
So how have you been doing?
I'm fine.
You sure?
I should be on my way now.
So where are you heading to?
I'm going to run an errand for my evening.
Okay. You take care of yourself.
Ababosha.
Amo, where did you get that expensive royal bead you gave to the king as a gift?
A friend gave it to me.
Which of your friends gave it to you? Did you know where he stole it from?
She did what? It's not a he, it's a she.
Okay, now listen. Hold your ear fast and repeat after me. I will never come anywhere to the palace again.
I will never go anywhere the palace again.
Nonsense. Listen, leave that thing and follow me.
You went and gave the king the bead. Who gave you?
A friend gave me.
You are a liar. I know how you got it. You stole it. Did you not? Stupid girl. Say you did. Get outside there. Get outside there. Also, come here. Come here. Nia. Nia, back.
In the what? In the.
Okay. Start peeling it. Start peeling the cassava. Take them. Raise your hands up. Hands up. Continue. Start peeling the cassava immediately.
In the how will I raise hand and see peel cassava?
Peel it. Peel it. Peel it.
In the.
Hold this one. Take it. Raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. Be peeling it. Raise your hand. I said, be peeling it. Stupid girl. You went and stole it. What to get? What to get?
Orime, please be careful. Be careful with that fire.
Okay.
You know I am preparing you for the inogi of this land.
Yes, ma'am.
My daughter. Orime nireyu. Ọmọ negbegbana.
But Ine, I must tell you the truth.
What is it?
That Oleka slept with me.
What? How dare him? Oh, was that the spiritual assignment he was referring to? No problem. I will deal with him.
Ine, what if I win? My pride is already taken. How do I face the shame?
Ovime, don't worry about that. When we get to that point, I will know what to do. Don't you trust your mother anymore?
I trust you.
Hey, smile for me. The energy of this land. Money regio. Onomosi. Oh, my beautiful daughter.
Olobolo silebe. 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 Yes, my daughter. Yes! You are now fit for the royal contest. Yes. I have made you fit to become the great Inoji. Anybody that sees you, they will see Inoji. Yes. If the king sees you, yes, so he will see Inoji. Yes. See, as I have put enough energy in you, understand, and for allowing us, I'm telling you, you are not the great Inoji. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Am I useless?
No, you are not useless.
Am I really useless?
You are not useless.
Thank you.
May the gods bless you more.
Bless you too. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, so
I will come back after the feast.
No, you don't have to come back after the feast. It's always good you come before the feast over and over again. In fact, to rekindle the fire. As the fire is burning, it's still burning. Understand? So that we just finish it before the feast.
Okay. Okay, there is no problem. I will see you before the feast and I will see you after the feast.
Better.
I need to come back and make everything more strong.
You have to make it strong. Yes. You just have. You don't have any choice.
Yes,
you know you don't have a choice.
I know.
You must make it strong.
Very
you are
strong.
free to go.
Thank you very much.
Am I useless?
You are not useless.
Am I not useful?
You are useful.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, I am the great Olika. Yes. The son of my father.
Olika one, the great.
That is me.
The greatest man in our kingdom.
You are free to go.
Thank you.
Am I useless?
You are not useless.
Where is this you? Good for nothing that called himself Olika.
And who is this good for nothing woman that is looking for Olika?
It's me. The woman you defied her daughter.
Yes, I'm happy. Because you know you are good for nothing. Which of your daughter did that define? Is it that one that look like, what is it called? Those local bongo? Is that the one you're saying? No. See, please, if you don't have anything useful to say, you have to leave this place. Because she gave us and we took. Yes, so. She gave me. Somebody gave me something. Why will I say no? I won't say no.
Does that include you taking her pride away from her?
Pride. She said pride. Which of your daughter have pride? That one. She does not. Does she have a pride? No, she does not. Does she have value? No, no value. Is she useful? No. Is she even useless? I don't even know. See, let me tell you. If you don't have any better thing to do, go. Do you know how long it took me? Help me, the great Olika, the first son of Olika. I've been begging your so-called daughter. You even pour water on my body. This is my in-laws place. I can see. Oh my God. My in-laws does not joke with me. Olika, he just bought me suit. Yeah, he does. I want us to impress my...
Olika, what are you doing here? Have I not warned you not to be coming to my house?
I am here to see you. I want to impress you. To tell you the quantity of love I have for you. If you see the love I have for you, you will just go and bring your father, bring your mother. I brought my friend to join me to tell you that I love you. You know, I was saying you thought I was not really serious. Olika. I am serious.
Olika, I've told you times without number, stop coming to my house. We are not compatible, for crying out loud. What is it? Please look for another girl in this village.
No, I can't. Why will I be? Why would she say to look for another? Can't you see how I dress for you? We have to go to Ifwe market to buy those clothes in order to prove to you that we love you. If you know you cannot marry me, as I'm talking to you right now, the corn I gave you the other day, just go inside and bring it. Don't change it. The same corn.
You want to use con to blackmail me now?
I'm not blackmailing you. I'm not whitemailing you. No. If you know you cannot marry me, simply go inside and bring. Hey, that's my in-law. In-law.
Olika.
Yes, sir. My name is Olika.
Okay.
My father is the chief priest of. My father is the chief priest, and he is my friend, in whom I'm well pleased. You know, the other day your daughter brought corn home, and she had some pear, some long pear and short pear. I was the one who actually gave her, according to the to show you that I'm in love with you.
You're the one that brought this corn.
We even went to the market. We even went to the market to buy suit.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know, we actually saw beautiful flower around you.
Thank you.
We said, how can we pluck this flower without telling the mother?
Very fine.
It's my friend.
Let me go and bring cola nuts for you people.
Yes.
Let me entertain them with cola. I'm coming.
Thank you. That is how you see. I like the white cola, the one they call Atala.
Don't worry. That is what I'll.
Thank you.
Olika.
This is how to.
Let me tell you. Hold on. I'm not ready for marriage. Not even when this feat of old age is coming.
Come and marry.
Good for them.
Come and marry my daughter. You're good for nothing. See you. If I see you around my daughter again, I will cut that thing in between your legs.
Ine, look at that. You know I was even telling him to leave.
What are you still waiting for? Let me see you people here again. I never let you follow that fina. Useless people.
You're talking too much and talking nonsense. Anyway, I don't have time to banter words with the two fools.
Fred! Look at who is calling somebody fool! No! Don't put that to calling himself! He can call himself. Don't put that with fool! What's the meaning of this? Don't put that with let that go! Let that go! This girl is looking like native drum. What is wrong with this thing? What is this? I'm not going to help her life. No! Did you see it, Jay? If they own me, the only son of Olika, if they carried me without any respect, without any symptom of respect, look at where she dropped me. She just dropped me here because of you. How you leave me? How you leave me? I don't know what I will. You wait. Let me go. I don't even know what I see in you. I don't even know why you are following me. Anyway, you follow me with this your useless face. All I see is bad luck. What did I do? What did I do? That girl was responding to me well. Look at the way she look at me. Yeah. You. What did I do? Wait. Don't follow me again. Because I just want to talk to her. You said no. When they come about the radio time, so everybody want to win it. I decided to face off this place just to get what I want. Yes.
Olika.
Yes.
Olika.
Yes.
Olika.
Yes.
You will hear from me.
I will not hear from you.
I will come back for my
chicken. I will refuse to hear. Did you say chicken?
Yes.
I have fried it. We have eaten it. We ate it. We fried it. I break the bone. I masticate the bone. If you have more, bring them. Make sure you come with red oil. If you have yam, I love what I am. Bring them.
Olika.
Bring them.
Olika. When I'm ready, you will see me.
When will you be ready? By the time you are ready, I must have taken those things back to my father's shrine. Yes. Who know me? Who call me call the gods? Does the gods know me? No. Do you know how long I have begged this your useless daughter? Do you know how long I have begged this your daughter to be my wife? She refused. This is the only way for me to enjoy my life. Yes, so I am not the one who sent my father to leave the village at all. If you have more daughters, bring them. I still have enough energy in me. Yes, I have not even started using any of my energy. I still have them. And don't forget the chicken though. Bring more chicken. If you first bring red oil, bring yam.
Mother, did you hear the announcement?
I heard it, my daughter. I heard. The king said that every freeborn of this kingdom should be presented by their mother. And you know you have a mother to go with. Yeah. A mother that will present you.
Yes. But mother,
What about those people that killed their mother with their witchcrafts?
They will be disgraced on that day. Full disgraced. And all the charms they have been using to win a dance competition will spoil that day. It will fail them. It will fail. You can't put the firewood proper. Put it very well. And where did you keep that bitter leaf? Bring it back and kill it. Bring it back and stop looking like me and stop behaving like monkey.
I'm still pounding the yam, ma.
Hold it in your hand while you put that firewood. Stupid.
My friend, what you wish for is impossible. You and your mother now live in a separate world. As such, are not permitted to see each other again. To the welcoming days of the land of the dead.
Let her come and take me with her. I am tired of living. I am tired of this life.
It's not over until it's over.
I need my mother to join me for me to be able to complete the royal contest. Without a mother, I can't do it. I can't do it without a mother. And if you knew you were not going to help me achieve this task, why did you start in the first place? My heart is bleeding. Please let me be. I want to be alone, please.
Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means it no longer controls our lives. Be courageous, my friend. Come with me. Whatever you say, do not be afraid. Eh?
Wait for me.
Zaiki. This is my daughter.
Labokia, what is the meaning of Amy here or right? Madam, take your daughter away.
Zaiki Onuke.
Labokia.
Thank you. This is my beautiful daughter.
Indeed.
I present her to you.
What is the meaning of Amy here or I? Madam, take your daughter away from here.
Thank you.
Zaiki.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my king. I present to you my beautiful daughter. She is a great dancer. The most adorable among all the girls in our kingdom.
Indeed.
Yes.
All right. I will ask you this question.
Calm down. now.
And I want you to answer me at once.
Yes, my king.
What is the meaning of émigrer or I?
My king. No, I have a lot of goats. And the goats will be staying.
Goats.
My king, she said goats. 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 Yes, my king. Goats. It is goats. Everybody knows that. It's goats.
Woman.
Yes, my king.
Take your daughter away from my presence.
My king, I believe she did so well. My king, I want to go.
Take your daughter away from my presence at once.
Will you come back later, king?
I have spoken.
My king, I told you goats.
My king, remember your promise. It's very important.
Sit down there.
No!
Sit down there.
My king.
Must you insult our king all the time? Sit down there.
Enough. My king, when the desirable is not available, then the available becomes desirable. My king, very important. I don't joke with it. Your promise. Your promise.
See that? You were here when she said go. Yes. Sit down. Go.
I am a queen from another kingdom. I am here to present to you my beautiful daughter before I can embark on my journey.
You are welcome, my daughter. My queen, you are welcome.
Thank you.
I will ask you this riddle. What is the answer to this? Émigrer or I?
Efeng, my king. In English language, it means rat.
She has answered my question.
No, my king. She does not have a mother. And a slave can never be made an Inoja of her kingdom. Now, she is a slave. You are a slave? Yes. Slave. That's what you are. Who's still my daughter's queen? She is a slave. I know it. She's a slave. I took her in. Ask her. She's a slave.
My advisor.
Saiki, my king.
What can be done to the maiden that saved this land from shame?
Saiki, my king. According to your promise, she will be honored with Inoji. Any maiden related to her by blood must be made to be a slave. 7 lands by the river bound should be given to her.
Ibo Kamale, Zai. You've all heard him. As you have said, so be it. Zai. To understand people, you must look into their mind. And examine their pursuits and aversions. Okoje,
Saiki,
you made a mockery on royalty. You and your daughter conspired against the land. A conspiracy that cost the life of our royal guard. Okoje. Guards.
Like
Seize him. Take him away to the dungeon. People come on in.
Bye. Like
My evil guards. Get me the wife and the daughters at once.
Like
Bring him here.
Psyche.
Step forward, Chief Okoje. Stop there. I am King Goodman. I support movement. I support women. I am the indomitable Okoje, rid of your calamities in this land. I want to ask you this question. Is it true that Omo, the maiden Omo, is your slave?
Yes, she is my slave. I bought her with my money. Yes.
Very well, then. You are going to swear to this, Izaka. Swear to it that the maiden no more is your slave. Take it from me. And swear.
I swear by my office that Omo is my slave. I bought her with my money.
Give it to me. Ogiri!
Okay, Jay. Oh, yeah, we're back to say now. Oh, yeah, we're back to say. I told you.
My king, Zaiki.
Woman!
Yes, my king.
I'm going to ask you this question. Is it true that the maiden Omo is your slave?
My king, she's a slave. Everybody knows Omo is a slave. Everybody can attest to that. I always remind her of her position of being a slave to us. But she wouldn't listen. I told her that palace was not made for slaves. She will not listen to. She has to force herself to enter the palace. My king, Zaiki, Omo is a slave. She's not from my loins.
Very well then. You will swear to this Izapa.
swear that Omo is your slave. Take it from me. I don't want to lose my patience.
No, Zaiki, no. No, she's a slave. Zaiki.
Woman.
My king. I should swear.
Swear.
Hey! Amo! Zaiki! Amo! She's a slave. She know. Amo is a slave.
Very well done. The footprint that carried your husband from this place to bury is still printed on the ground.
Oh! I'll go over here.
My people, you are strong when you know your weakness. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn.
As we crown the Nojid today, I do not want anyone here to live with a wrong motive. All the maidens that participated in the royal contest and did not win should be at peace with the Inuji. The maiden kneeling before me won all the royal contest. Everything. She won the bid competition, which signifies royalty. Oh, she won the dancing competition. Those wonderful steps. Oh, they were redeemable, audacious. Oh, the cracking of the riddle, which is a test of knowledge. And the sumptuous meal, such a beautiful one. Above all, she revealed the secrets of my conspirator.
Greetings, royal guards.
What do you want?
Please, I want to see the king.
And why do you want to see the king?
The message is for his ears only.
My king is resting now. You can't see him. Come back some other time.
Please, I need to see the king at once. Please.
Which one need to understand? The fact that he's having his rest and he no disturbance.
Let her be.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings to you. Beautiful maiden. What's the problem?
My prince, please, I need to see the king at once before it's too late. Please.
That's no problem.
Zaiki.
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, my king.
Is there any problem?
Thank you, my father. She says she has a message for you.
Very well then.
Let me.
What brings you to my palace?
My king, I was at my stepmother's farm where I went to check if the corn is ripe for harvest. When suddenly...
That is how it will be. Okay, sir. Make sure there is no trace. I repeat, no trace. You will kill a wele.
Okay, sir.
Send others to deliver a message to the king that he should thank the seer. If not, he would have been a dead man by now.
Okay, sir.
I know I can count on you.
Okay, sir.
I trust you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, no problem. With me and my boys, everything will be settled. Everything will be okay. Okay?
Abaka!
Just go home and relax, okay?
Abaka! Okay, I know I trust you.
Thank you, sir.
Go well. Okay.
What? Okoje can't do a thing like that to me.
But my king...
Thank you very much. I appreciate this. I will get back to you very soon. You may now leave.
My king... Zaiki.
Zaiki. He has a message for you. Speak!
Zaiki.
Speak.
We are sent to attack this kingdom, to attack this palace by the Okoje.
Okoje?
Zaiki, yes. And he also told his daughter, he also sent his daughter to come and lie that she saw the vision. I really want his daughter. He really wants his daughter to be the Inoje. Thank you very much. Thank you, please. Thank you, please. Thank you.
Okoje! His plans against the throne, his plans to kill me, which led to the death of one of our royal guards. Oh, may the soul of that young man rest in peace. Today is a great day indeed. As the king of this great kingdom, I'm a custodian of the tradition. I therefore declare her the Inoje of our land.
Zaiki.
This is beautiful. You may stand. Let the celebration begin.
I won. Yes. And now that you're happy, my assignment here has been accomplished. I am the spirit of your mother. Wipe your tears, my daughter. It is over.
Omo!
Yes, my king.
Is there any problem?
Everything is fine, my king.
Very well then. Today is a great day in this great kingdom. All the entitlements, according to my special advisor, who happens to be the conspirator, those words were made law in this palace, and therefore those entitlements is accredited to her. And Nessie shall become her slave forever. I have spoken. Oh, today history will be written in letters. As the Inoje of this great land, you shall choose for yourself, according to the tradition of this land, the one that shall become your husband. And whoever you choose shall become the king that shall succeed me.
My king, as the Inoje of this land,
This is beautiful.
and I make another declaration, my king. I, Omon, daughter of Ozemwan, granddaughter of Ogwidi, the great Inoje of this kingdom, declare that from today henceforth, from generation to generation, that the kingship of this kingdom shall be hereditary. Which means that royalty remains in the house of King Uda.
Oh, I am happy. My son, the great prince, the brave hunter, is succeeding me as the next king. Let the celebration continue.
Come.
Abare anagogo, mane magogo, abare anagogo, mane magogo.